Hello, Simaji. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
How is your day so far?
It was as usual, neither good nor
Okay.
bad.
Neither good nor bad. All
Yes, sir.
right. It means nothing special has happened with you today.
No, sir.
All right. No issues. So today we are going to have a very interesting activity. And
Okay,
today
sir.
we'll be playing the role of, today we'll be playing various roles. Like
Various roles.
today's, yeah, today's theme is overspeeding. How
Okay.
overspeeding causes you trouble.
Okay.
Yes.
So I will speak only,
I
sir,
will
or you
be,
will also speak?
I will also speak.
Okay. So
Yes.
should we start?
Yeah, let's start.
Okay,
So
sir.
I'm a rider and I'm riding my bike fast. All right. So suddenly
Okay.
I fell down and you are a pedestrian passerby who's just walking away me and you see me. I'm falling down. You ask me some questions and later on you take me to the hospital and then you will play the role of doctor and doctor calls police inspector. The
Yes,
same thing
sir.
will be going on. All
Okay,
right.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
So I should start, sir?
Yeah. So I'm a rider and I'm riding a bike.
Yes, sir.
All right. So I'm riding a bike and suddenly I fell down.
Okay, sir. So
Now ask me
now I was
questions.
going from there.
Oh,
Yes. So
I
I
fell
came to
down.
you and now I will
Yes,
start.
you come
Okay.
to me.
Okay.
Yes.
So I don't know, sir, your name, na? So I can use anything like hello, young man, how you fall down.
Yes, yes.
Or okay.
Yes, you can use anything
So
like that.
yes, yes. Hello, young man, how you fall down?
How did you fall down?
How did
How
you
did
fall
you
down?
fall down?
Okay, how did you
Actually,
fall
I
down?
was actually I was overspeeding and I couldn't see the
Yes.
tree alongside the road. So I dashed my bike against the road and I fell down. It's very hurting.
Yes, I noticed
Please.
that while I was passing from here, I noticed that you was very over speeding.
You
So
were
what
overspeeding.
you
You
were
were
you were very
overspeeding.
over speeding. So
Whenever
what's
you
the
will see
reason
you,
behind that?
actually I wanted to go home early because
Okay.
today is my son's birthday. That's why I was overspeeding.
Oh, but you should not overspeed the bike because see what happened now. Blood is coming from your hands and some scratches are on your heads as well as your bike fell down and it also got what to say
Damaged.
and it also got
Damaged.
damaged. Okay, and it also got damaged. So come let's go to the hospital and consult the doctor that I because I can see that some blood is coming from your hands. So I can say that I think that your leg your hands has got fractured. Okay, so let's come to my car and let's go to the hospital. So
So first thing, let me correct you. As you say
yes,
that
sir.
blood is coming from your hand. So it is not like that. Whenever you are saying that, you should say your hand is bleeding. Your
Okay,
hand is bleeding like this.
okay, okay.
Please
So
repeat
your
the line.
hand is bleeding. Your hand is bleeding, and I can also see that. Means in my opinion, I think your hand got fractured. Am I right, sir?
Yes, you're right.
Yes. So come, let's go to the hospital and consult the doctor. Okay. So
Yes, yes, ma'am. Thank you so much for being so helpful. Please take me to the
okay.
hospital.
Yes, please come in my car. Come and sit in my car. Okay. So I'm taking you to my car, and now we are going to the hospital. Okay, so now we
Now
reach the
scene
hospital.
changes. Yeah, now
Okay.
scene changes. We
Yes,
reach
sir.
the hospital. We reach the hospital, and now you will be playing the role of doctor, and I'm the patient. Now you will encounter some question on me. You will
Okay.
ask me some questions.
So yes, sir. Yes. So, uh, hello. What happened to you?
Actually, sir, I was overspeeding. I was riding my bike fast because I wanted to go to home.
This is the only problem of today's young generation, boy or man. Means they forget about their family, about everything, and they just overspeed the bike. So don't you ever think of your family or your parents or your wife or your children? Why were you overspeeding?
Actually, today is my son's birthday. That's why I wanted to go home. I wanted to go home early than usual.
Okay, but instead of going to your home early, you came to the hospital. So now what about your son's birthday?
Yes,
Means you can reach there a little bit late, but now you met with an accident and see, means your hand is bleeding and there are scratches on your head. So I so what to say, but this is accidental case, so I have to consult the police. I have
it
to
is an
inform the
accident case,
police.
not
Yes, as
accidental.
it,
It is an
yes,
accident case.
it is an accident case, so I have to inform the police first. Okay, then I will check you.
Yes,
So
please call the police, and you'll be playing the role of police.
okay, so I am calling the police. Wait here for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay.
Yes.
So I have to speak, sir, that I have called police or I have called.
No, you tell me that actually I have called police. Police will
Okay.
be here at any moment.
Okay.
Sit
Okay.
here. Don't
So
go anywhere like
yes.
this.
So I have called the police and police will be here in 10 to 15 minutes. So
Hmm.
if you wish, you can call your family members. Okay. Then only I will treat you. Okay. So take your time and you can call your family member as well.
All right. So now police arrive. So I'm going to play the role
Okay.
of police, and you are the victim
Okay.
who met with an accident.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Hello. Actually, I am Hamish Sheikh, SCP of Raniganj Thane. I got phone call from this hospital that an accident case has come here. Is that you?
Yes. Yes.
Why were
Yes,
you
sir.
overspeeding?
Actually, today is my son's birthday, and I want to reach my home.
I
Means
wanted.
before time. I wanted
I
to reach my
wanted
home
to.
before time, so that's
Hmm.
why, sir, I was over speeding, I and suddenly a tree came in front of me, and I just, so what to say, my bike
I
just,
just dashed my bike against the tree. I
okay, I
just
just crashed.
dash DASH.
Dash. Okay,
Yes.
I just dashed my bike against the tree. So I fell down from the bike and I got some injuries.
All right. So
Yes.
were you drunk while riding the bike?
No, sir, I am very honest man. I never drink, sir. Actually, sir, my, some thoughts were coming in my mind that I have to reach home as early as possible. So that's why I was over driving, sir. I am a very honest man. I never
All
drink.
right. Look, there is another word comes in the mind.
Yes.
A person never drinks. It's called teetotaler in English.
Teetotaler.
Teetotaler who never drink.
Okay.
Yes, who
Okay. Means
never
I am a
drinks.
teetotaler.
Okay, you are teetotaler.
Yes.
But why
So
were you so impatient to reach home early? You could go slow.
actually, sir, I got a phone call from my son that father, please come home as early as possible and bring cakes and other things with you. So that's why I was thinking to reach my home before the time, means before the guest arrive. So that's why I was over speeding, sir.
All right, but now you can see the outcome where your
Yes, sir.
overspeeding, where your overspeeding has brought you at
Yes,
the
sir.
hospital.
Yes, sir. It's my fault. but now, sir, what can I do? I met with an accident, and actually I am in a very severe pain. Is it
Mhm.
right, sir?
Yes, severe pain is right word.
Oh, yes, sir, yes. So actually, I'm in a very severe pain. Sir, I want to take medicines from doctor as soon as possible.
It's
So
okay. I'm not going to ask any more questions because I can see some scratches on the head, more over,
yes, sir.
swelling on your hand as well, and your hand is bleeding as well. So
Yes,
first
sir.
you go to the doctor. Doctor will consult you. Doctor will check you out, and
Okay,
doctor will
sir.
diagnose you.
Okay,
All
sir.
right.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for this. Great. Thank you for such a what to say,
Great
sir?
help.
Okay.
Great help.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for great help. Okay. So now who will become doctor, sir? I or
Yeah.
you?
Now I'm going to play the role of doctor.
Okay. Now I'm the patient.
You are the patient.
Okay.
All right.
So
Now
I
you
came
tell
to your
me.
clinic.
Yeah. Yeah. Not clinic, in my cabin.
Okay,
After
in
the
your cabin.
interrogation. After
Yes.
interrogation with the police officer.
Yes. I came to your
Yeah. Now.
cabin. So I'm knocking and
All right. Please come in.
okay. What to say? Good afternoon, sir.
Tell na.
I
Introduce
am
yourself. No. Introduce yourself. That sir. Actually, I met with an accident.
yes, yes,
Please
yes.
see my injuries.
Yes,
Treat me.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, actually, just before 2 hours only, I met with an accident, and actually,
Mm.
you came to see me, but actually, you said that as it is an accident case, so you have to inform the police. So, sir, police came and he investigated the matter, and that's why he sent me to your cabin.
Very good.
So now
Mm-hmm.
you can check me, sir, as I am having so much pain in my hands as well as in my head.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
please check and tell me the report, because I have to go my home also. I have to reach my home as soon as possible.
All right. Well, yeah, I can see the injuries on your head and more or your swelling on your hand as well. Well, have you called someone else from your family and did you
Yes,
inform them?
sir. Yes, sir. I have called my father, but actually
Hmm.
he was somewhere else. So he will be here after half an hour, sir. Actually, he's
Mm-hmm.
busy with some other work.
Okay.
Yes,
Well,
sir.
can I see the hand? Please show me your hand.
Yes, sir. You
Okay.
can
Now
see.
you're showing me a hand and oh my God,
Yes.
it's bleeding and I can see the swelling as well on the hand. So first you
Yes,
will have to
sir.
go and first you have to get the X-ray report done of your hand and then I can come to the conclusion. But first
Yes, sir.
I
Actually,
would give you
yes, sir.
first I will give you some painkillers so that you will get relief from the pain which you're facing and you could feel better. So here are the
Yes, sir.
painkillers.
Okay, sir. So should I take it now?
Yeah, take it right now. Actually, these are
Okay.
not so much powerful. You can easily, you can easily digest them. They will make
Okay,
no
sir.
harm even if take them without
Okay,
milk.
sir. Sir, actually, my hand is paining so much because as my hand is bleeding, but I can feel means internal pain also with this bleeding.
Mm-hmm.
So I think
Mm-hmm.
that my hands has been fractured, or is there something else? So I should go to X-ray room, and then after seeing the after seeing the report, you can tell that it is fractured or only there are external injuries. Okay.
All right.
So I
Yes.
have gone to the X-ray room, and now
Yeah.
I've came with the X-ray report. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So sir, here is the X-ray report.
Here is the X-ray report. Okay. Let me check.
Yes.
Okay. Nothing to worry about. It's a minor crack
Okay,
in the
sir.
left hand bone. Left hand bone, there is a minor crack. But with proper medicine and proper care, it can be cured. Don't worry too much
Okay,
about
sir.
that. Let me apply a
Oh.
small plaster around your hand and you will feel better.
Okay, sir. So sir, for how many days I have to tie this plaster on my hands?
Yeah, for 45 days. And
45
after
days, sir.
yes, after the completion 45 days, you come to me and I will tell you what to do furthermore.
Okay. And sir, what about my injuries of head? Are they from external only, or is there something?
Well,
Is there
those are the
something
minor
more to
scratches.
worry? Okay.
Those are minor scratches. You do not worry about them. I have
Okay,
prescribed
sir.
you a medicine and ointment. Just apply them on your face, especially on the
Okay, sir.
injuries. You will feel better.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So, sir, should I take the medicine from the nearest shop, or
Medical shop.
should
Medical
medical
shop.
shop, or sir, I have to consult? I have to show you the medicine after purchasing that.
Actually, I have written everything in the detail. So the
Okay, sir.
pharmacist will help you out. He will assist you in a very
Okay,
gentle
sir.
manner. So you just
Okay,
take the
sir.
medicine, you can go home and take a rest. You need not come
Okay.
to me again.
Okay, sir. So, after 45 days, I have to come to untie the plaster.
Yeah, after 45 days, you will have to come here. Let me see how your
Okay, sir.
injuries are healing after
Okay, sir.
45 days.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for treating me. And
Regular, just thanks, doctor. You did a great help.
okay, okay,
I will
sir.
come to you after 45 days.
Okay, thanks, doctor. You did a great help. I will come to you after 45 days. Okay,
Yes.
so now I
And thank
left
you
your
so much
cabin.
again. I think today you
Okay.
learned a very valuable lesson of your life that one should
Yes.
never ever overspeed.
Yes, sir, I have learned. I have actually learned because I have to reach the home as early as possible. But
I had to reach
actually,
the home.
I had to
I
reach
had
the
to.
home. I had to reach my home
Hmm.
as early as possible. But due to overspeeding, I came to the hospital and I wasted my time. So that's why I got a lesson that I should not overspeed the bike. Okay, so thank you, doctor. Hello. Kuch. Hello.
Hello, Simaji.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Simaji. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Well, I think today you learned a very important lesson of your life.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have learned that now I should not overspeed the bike. I should not do overspeeding.
Very good.
Sir. So actually, the thought was going on in my mind that I have to reach my home as soon as possible. But instead of reaching home early as possible, I came to the hospital. I met with an accident, and now I wasted my time. So I got a lesson that we should not overspeed the bike.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
But Simaji, let me say something about today how you spoke. You spoke very
Yes,
well.
sir.
And
Yes,
today
sir.
I can see the glow. I can see the confidence on your face. That's
Yes, sir.
wonderful, stupendous, fabulous. Day by
Thank you,
day,
sir.
you are becoming more and more confident. I can see the
Thank you, sir.
difference. Yes, I can see the difference. How you used to talk before some days and how you're talking now. So there
Yes,
is
sir.
a tremendous changes. There are some tremendous changes has occurred in your speaking skill. That's a
Yes,
good
sir.
news.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you for appreciating my efforts. Actually, this is all due to this conversation, due to this daily conversation and your motivation also. And as there was no one to talk with me, so now I'm taking your regular classes and I'm getting someone to talk with. So it is only due to the practice. So thank you for motivating me every time.
Yes, and thank you so much, Simaji. Actually, it depends on the student as well how they take it.
Yes, sir.
If they take it
Yes, sir.
seriously and if they have a burning desire in the mind to do something,
Yes, sir.
then it
Yes, sir.
becomes possible for them.
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, I have so much interest to speak English fluently, and I want to become a fluent English speaker. So that's why means whenever I get time, as I am a housewife, so whenever I get
Mhm.
free time, so every time I used to watch videos, or I used to speak in English only. So
Mhm.
so actually, sir, as practice makes a man perfect, so that's actually going on. As he always motivates me to speak English every time, to not use a single word in Hindi. So
Mhm.
from there also I am getting a motivation. So that's why, sir, I'm improving day by day.
Yes, thank you so much. And
Yes.
I hope if you stay with me and if you have more and more session of this type, one day
Yes,
will
sir.
come when you would become a very good English speaker.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Well, then with this, I would like to declare that the conclusion has arrived, and I would
Okay,
like to
sir.
end the conversation here. You spoke very well.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Bye. Have a nice
Okay,
day.
sir. Have a nice day, you sir. You too, sir.
You
Okay.
too.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye,
Yes.
sir.